saw you. We're gonna go plant shopping today. Yay! Oh, I got this baby here. Just woke up. Aww. Hi. Hi.
Gloves.
You want gloves? Okay, we can look for gloves, okay? Little gloves.
No, I want to look for gloves.
A fruit cocktail tree here. It has fruit already. It's a bunch of fruit in one tree. So we are still trying to choose which plant we are going to plant this year. There's a lot of them, but for sure we're gonna get perennial plants so they don't die after winter. Yes, they come back after winter.
That's funny.
So we finally decided to get this one. So pretty. So what do you call this? And so that's deer resistant. Wine and roses. Wigella. Okay, we're gonna plant it in front of the house. I can't see Nadia anymore. We can, oh.
Hey, bro, he looked for me.
I saw you. Where are you? Where are you? You're screaming. Don't scream here. Okay, go back to the car. Going to the garden center. Yay.
No, it's not that way.
We're gonna get garden hose. We can look if they have gloves for you that will fit your hands. Yeah. Do you need nozzle too? Okay.
I don't remember which kind they got.
That should be fine.
Somewhere that.
Yeah. It's a different model this year. These are the gloves they have here. At least they have more variety here. They have medium, that's the smallest. Do they have small? No, that's only one. Put it back, please. So you look for the small size. Yes. Or extra small.
Up there.
Up there. Here's Daddy. They only have the small size. And even if it's small, it's still too big for Nadia.
This one is theirs.
Yeah? You want some azaleas.
You know, it's good to have a bigger one. Or is that fine for them?
That's fine. We're gonna go bigger.
You haven't flowered yet.
We're gonna get more azaleas here. It's bigger one. Of course, more expensive. mainit na siya, guys. What's that? It's so good in here. We're gonna go to an adventure in the garden center. Trees. They have gumamela. It's a gumamela. You want this? You want this potting mix?
You want to sit in here?
Somebody's not happy anymore. She's afraid of the insects flying around. What else? Oh, look at that. Are those? These are like syringa or lilacs. They smell so good, guys. Roses. They have santan. Oh my gosh. They're so good. I want to get some of this. Is this perennial?
No.
Ixora?
Get some.
The flowers, you can actually taste the flower of the nectar. Yeah. When we were kids, we used to drink the nectar. This is the one I'm getting. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, yay. Okay, there you go. These are fuchsias. And they yield a lot of flowers. No, 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 no. No, that's mud. Come here. This way. I love calla lilies. Yeah, I like the white one.
I like this one.
Like the purple. Another purple here.
You like that one? Do you like it?
So, let's go in the veggie section. So far, ito pa lang yung meron sila dito. This are what they have for now. Oh, eggplants. Yes, I want some eggplants for sure. These are tiny.
You want zucchini again?
Yeah, so we can make
They're
zoodles.
not even sprouted yet.
Getting eggplants.
Is
Should I get eggplant now, Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get
So you
eggplant.
can get the most out of it.
Yeah, this one.
Just one or two.
Probably two. What else do you want, Daddy? Do you want get another one? I know. I'm letting her
This one's
pick.
pretty big. That one's better right there.
This one.
No.
This one. Go get this. This.
Okay.
We're gonna get some kamatis, some tomatoes. Yes. You can't reach them? Do you need help?
Yeah. Me too.
Huh. What to pick? There's a bunch of them.
Oh, it's this
Husky red, cherry red. Okay, that's the one. I don't. Sweet, juicy fruits, 30. Huh, yeah. Just one, because they produce a lot.
Oh, we're going.
Let's go. We're gonna go.
We gotta go.
Yay! We're gonna check out at the self-checkout. This one.
Just hold on.
I want to.
You can't come there now.
I want to.
Hold on.
Gonna go pay now. We are done. We're gonna go back home and plant all those plants. Okay. I feel like I'm getting a sunburn already. This is like the warmest day so far this season. 70 degrees. Let's go. Uwi na kami. Uuwi na kami. Eto na siya, guys.
So it's supposed to be used at the table.
So, ito na yung mga nabili natin na itatanim sa ating hardin. May fertilizer tayo. May grass killer. And there you go. Where's the other one? In front of the car. From Home Depot.
On the front, because they're getting planted.
Okay. So, these ones are gonna be planted in the back. Ito sa ating plant box. These are gonna be at the plant box.
No,